Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a final checkout video of a really cool telephone. This is a tomato telephone. It's a first for the shop. And we did an earlier video of this telephone showing that there was a problem with the piezo buzzer for the ringer element. And there was also a little note with it that had mentioned not only that problem, but that there was no star and no pound. And basically in the earlier video we showed that the star button didn't lead to anywhere on the main PC board. It never made it up to the microprocessor or to the tone generator IC. So that telephone button on the keypad is not going to work because it leads to nowhere on the main board. But yet the pound button was a redial instead. And so basically I'm going to go through that with you. But this is a Monte tomato, and this is the final checkout video. This telephone has been repaired. So basically what we're going to do is do some final checks. Go ahead and ring the telephone. I'm going to let it ring a couple times because that was basically the problem with the telephone. We repaired the ringer circuit for the ring cycle, and that's been repaired. I'm going to let it go one more time. And I'm going to go ahead and open the phone. And as you can hear the dial tone, I'm going to go ahead and dial some numbers. And I'm just going to dial the 0 and then a 262. And now I'm going to hit redial. I'm going to hang the phone up. Should end in 262. There you go. Now what we're going to do is modulate into the telephone. Every time you see that red light on the analyzer, that's 100% modulation. That's an indication of 100% modulation. So we know this telephone has transmit, and everything is working fine on the telephone. Another thing that we're going to do is I'm going to move the telephone into a regular normal line, and we're going to go ahead and dial a time and temp number.
Good afternoon. Credit issues? Apply by phone anytime at 622-4600. 622-4600. Same-day approval available. Today is Tuesday, February 22nd. The time is 1:21. Current temperature 42 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Colder today,
Okay, so we know everything is working. But what I want to show you real quick is, since this, I'm going to move the telephone line back over into the analyzer. Since this telephone does not really have a star and a pound per se, what we're going to do, I'm just going to dial a 2 to get rid of the dial tone. If you noticed, what I did was I changed the pound and the star button around, just for the simple fact that if you're pretty familiar with a keypad, that's going to be an indication to someone, I hope, that it's not a normal keypad. And basically I kind of prefer the star being the redial. So I put the star button, I exchanged the two buttons. I put the pound button where the star would be and the star button where the pound would be. And that's just an indication of that's not a normal keypad. And I guess that they would figure it out that it had a redial. But also this telephone is in from another company that repairs telephones and sells telephones, and it's not uncommon that we get telephones in from other companies. We get them in all the time, and we repair them for the other companies. And so basically what we're going to do is I'm going to run through some numbers again, one last check. I'm going to go 262. I'm going to hang up. I'm going to hit redial, which will be the star button. So now we know the telephone is totally working properly. This is going to make a really nice telephone for somebody. It's a pretty cool telephone. As you can see, it's a Del Monte. It's Tomato Products, and it's really a cool telephone. It's a nice little Tomato telephone, and it's a great phone. It's really cool, and it would be nice for any collector or anybody that is into tomatoes and stuff like that. But this telephone was for sale, and basically that's what will happen to this telephone when it goes back to the company that it's from, now that it's repaired and they know a little more about it, and that it has redial and never did have star and pound. So this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.